Okay, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Same. What is the first step here? Step 1. Solution we need to write. Here I'm going to write. Then first of all find the eigenvalues. Okay, so that is the first step in the given orthogonalization, either that is the diagonalization. Then we need to write the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is det of a minus lambda I, which is equals to 0. Is it clear now? Now, what is the characteristic equation for the given matrix is I am going to write here 1 minus lambda 0 0 0 3 minus lambda minus 1 and 0 minus 1 3 minus lambda and equals to
Video is
0.
clear, madam.
Okay, here. Then tell me, and by the simplification of determinant using the determinant formula, what are the eigenvalues? So I'm going to here use the formula 1 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda whole square minus 1 minus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Clear? Now 1 minus lambda into a minus b whole
Ma'am, your
square.
video was stuck, ma'am.
Wait. Now it is clear?
Somewhat
ma'am.
blur, ma'am. Blur గా ఉంది మ్యామ్ వీడియో.
Now
నో మ్యామ్, బ్లర్ గానే ఉంది మ్యామ్.
Now it is clear, all of you? Okay.
Now it is clear,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now here 1 minus lambda into a minus b whole square. 9 plus lambda square minus 6 lambda minus 1, which is equals to 0 here. 1 minus lambda into lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8, which is equals to 0. By the simplification, we are get that here what ma? And 1 minus lambda into, and this is we have to use a factorization, so that can be written as lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 2 lambda plus 8, which is equals to 0. Any doubts in this? Clear? Now again 1 minus lambda into lambda taken common here, lambda minus 4, again 2 common, then lambda minus 4 again, which is equals to 0. And 1 minus lambda into, here we can write it as lambda minus 2 and here lambda minus 4. All of you clear, ma? And so the eigenvalues are, lambda equals to 1 and here it is 2 and it is 4. 1, 2 and 4. How many lambda values we have? Those are the eigenvalues we have. Total we are getting the 3 eigenvalues. Is it clear now? This step one completed, ma.
చాలు నాకు అంత ఇంకే అన్ని కూడా నేను తిన్నాను.
Okay.
అన్ని ఇట్లా ఏం తిన్నా వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చే.
Next. Go for the step 2. What is the step 2 here? Who's it?
Find
Mute your
again
call.
vectors.
Mute your call. To find eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues, we have the 3 eigenvalues are there. Okay. Now, first one, go for the case 1. In the step 2, case 1. Here, what is the case 1 ma here right now? To find the eigenvector corresponding to, what is the first one?
Lambda equals to 1. Lambda equals to 1.
1, very good. Okay, then the matrix notation. A minus lambda I into x equals to 0. Okay, the next, write the matrix notation here. 1 minus lambda 0 0 0 3 minus lambda minus 1 0 minus 1 3 minus lambda into x y z equals to zeros. Is it clear all of you? Okay. Now we are going to substitute what is lambda value ma here. Lambda equals to 1. Put lambda equals to 1. What we get here? 0 0. And the next one also 0 here. The second row 0 3 minus 1 2 and here minus 1 0 minus 1 2.
Zero stuck, ma'am.
Fraction of seconds it will display. Please wait. X, Y, Z equals to zeros. Now it is clear?
No, ma'am.
Video was very clear, ma. Just you have to check your signals. Video was very clear. I'm in the college campus. I'm also in the.
No,
I'm
madam.
seeing in the computer also. Okay. Now.
No, ma'am. Stuck, ma'am.
Okay, wait, change. It
Now
is clear
clear,
now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now
Next,
it is clear.
lambda equals to 1 is there. Now, already the topic is over about finding the variables when we are multiplying the two matrices. Okay. When we are using the simplifying of these two equations, completely among the two equations, we have maximum 5 variables or variable coefficients are not equals to 0. Then we have to use the formula ax plus by plus cz equals to 0, and next that one we have to solve xyz by using that. When we have to use that formula, minimum and maximum, the 5 variable coefficients are non-zero, but here see 0 0 0 0, non-zero, non-zero. Now we are not using the direct formula for finding the variable values. It is clear. So for that purpose, I am going to write first of all here multiply those two. First complete 0. Okay. Then next 2y minus z equals to 0. Then go for the next one minus y plus 2z which is equals to 0. It is clear all of you? Now here again in this case I'm going to assume x equals to k because of among the three equations we don't have the x variable. For that purpose we have to assume x equals to k. It is clear. Now solving these two, here what more, and for this equation 2y equals to z. It is clear. Y equals to z by 2. And also in this also, what is the given equation here? Minus y equals to minus 2z. Minus minus get cancel and y equals to 2z. If y equals to 0, then what is z ma? For these two cases, z is also 0. It is clear all of you? Now, the first eigenvector x1, x, y, z. So that is equals to what here? K, x equals to k, and y is the 0, z is the 0. Now we need to take outside the constant here 1, 0, 0. So this is the first eigenvector. It is clear all of you? Any doubts? Why we are taking the assume of x is a k? Because of they don't have the x coefficient is a non-zero completely among the three equations. So that's why we need to take x equals to k constant. Clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Okay, ma'am.
we go for the case 2. Okay. Now the case 2. So what is the case 2 here? To find eigenvector corresponding to. So what is
Lambda equals
eigenvector?
to 2. Lambda
Lambda
equals to 2.
2. Well, then the matrix notation A minus lambda I into x equals to 0 here. Now I'm going to write the matrix 1 minus lambda 0, 0, 0, 3 minus lambda minus 1, 0, minus 1, 3 minus lambda. So which was the matrix of characteristic here into variable matrix iz is equals to zeros. Okay. Now we are going to substitute the lambda value here. Now what is the lambda value? Lambda equals to 2. Okay. Then 1 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 1, and 0 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is the 1. Okay, that is a plus 1. Now into variable matrix here, x, y, z, which is equals to zeros. Is it clear?
Adjust screen.
Wait. It is clear now? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
again, same concept we have to use. First, multiply the two matrices here. Minus x equals to 0. By the simplification, what we get here? X equals to 0. Clear? So, the first variable value is getting completed. Now, go for the second one. So, 0. Y minus z equals to 0. And for the third equation is what? Minus y plus z equals to 0. Here, y equals to z. Okay, and minus y equals to minus z, minus minus cancel. For the both equations we are getting y equals to z. If y is equals to 1, then what is z value here? 1 also. Is it clear? Okay, now x2 eigenvector is x, y, z, which is equals to first one 0 already, and y is the 1 and z is also 1. So this is the second eigenvector. Any doubts, all of you? Completed it is.
Completed, ma'am.
Now we go for the third case right now. So third case, find eigenvector. The last eigenvalue is what? Corresponding to
4,
lambda
4, ma'am.
equals to
Lambda equals 4.
4. Yes. Okay. Then the characteristic eigenvector is A minus lambda I into x equals to 0. Then I'm going to write the matrix here. 1 minus lambda 0 0 0 3 minus lambda here minus 1 0 minus 1 3 minus lambda into x y z which is equals to zeros. Now we are going to substitute the lambda value here. What is the lambda value, ma'am? Lambda equals to 4 here. 1 minus 4 minus 3 0 0 0 3 minus 4 minus 1 and here it is a minus 1 0 minus 1 3 minus 4 minus 1. Is it clear all of you? Now into x y z which is equals to zeros. Clear. Again same situation we have repeated this in this case. So again multiply both the matrices. 3x equals to 0, then x equals to 0, x become completely 0 here. Then go for the second one here, minus y minus z equals to 0. By the taking the common, what we get here, minus y equals to 0, then y equals to minus z. It is clear all of you?
Ma'am,
Okay.
your video is stuck, ma'am.
What should I do now? Again I multiply the third equation, so that is also minus y minus z equals to 0. These two equations represents the same equation, so that nothing but we get the y equals to minus z. So for that purpose, in both the two equations, if substitute y equals to 1, then what we get here, y z equals to 1. Suppose I am going to substitute z equals to 1. Okay, then what is y value here? Minus 1. It is clear all of you? Then x3 equals to xyz. x3 equals to, what is x3 ma here now? x3 equals to, it is clear my video ma? X value is the 0, y value is the minus 1, z value is the 1. Completed ma all the three eigenvectors? Any doubts? Hello, any doubts ma? Completed?
Stuck, ma'am.
Your-
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Oh no. Hello, it is clear ma up to here?
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Next, we go for the next step. What is the next step ma? Step 3. What is the step 3? Find capital P matrix. Now what is capital P matrix ma? In this orthogonalization, capital P is the normalized vector. It is clear all of you? Normalized vector. Normalized matrix or else. Okay. Now where x1 equals to, what is the first eigenvector? 1 0 0.
Video
Okay.
was
Madam,
stuck,
your
ma'am.
video was not coming, madam.
Wait, I am in the college campus. So for that purpose, these technical issues are I am getting in my phone, ma. Today I have the college. It is clear now? Now the
It's
normalized
visible.
No, ma'am. Video was now it is clear, ma'am.
normalized value is what ma here? Under root of 1 square plus 0 plus 0. So that is equals to 1. This is a normalized value of x1.
Madam, network not clear, madam.
I am in the college campus. I am getting the technical issues from my phone and it is Wi-Fi. What should I do right now? Tell me.
No problem, madam. Carry on, madam.
So normalized value of x1 equals to what here? 1. So what is the norm x1? Again 1 by 1 nothing but 1 0 0. It is clear? So this is the first eigenvector. Then go for the x2. What is x2 eigenvector? 0 1 1. It is clear now? Hello?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Next, normalized value. What is the normalized value of x2? Under root of 0 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So that is equals to root 2. Clear, ma? Now here root 2 is divided with each and every value in the x2. So that I am going to write here norm x2. That is equals to 0, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Completed all of you? Any more doubts? Then go for the x3 eigenvector. What is the x3 eigenvector? 0, minus 1, 1. Okay, now? Now, the normalized value. What is the normalized value, Mat? Tell me. For x3? Anyone? 0 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So that is equals to root 2. It is clear?
Root.
Now, norm x3. What is norm x3? Tell me. Root 2 is divided with each and every element in the given eigenvector. 0, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Clear all of you? Okay.
Yes, madam.
Now, what is capital P here? First normalized vector, second normalized vector, third normalized vector. We need to substitute, that is the capital P here. So 1 0 0, 0 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Third one is 0 minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Now
Your video was
this is
stuck.
now it is clear.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Clarity.
Now capital P equals to that one. What is capital P, ma? Normalized matrix. Completed. Now we go for the step 4. What is the step 4? To find P inverse. To find P inverse. But since P inverse equals to, we need to directly write what, ma, here? P transpose. Because of, since capital A is the symmetric. Capital A is the symmetric. Tell me the capital A, ma, here. Capital A equals to 1 0 0 0 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 3. It is clear. Now capital A is a symmetric matrix, so that's why we need to write P inverse equals to P transpose. So we don't use the inverse formula, basic inverse formula for finding the calculation of P inverse. Simply you can write it as P inverse equals to this P transpose. It is clear? Okay, ma?
Video is fully stopped, ma'am.
Now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am.
Now, P inverse equals to what we have to write?
P transpose.
Now, we are going to substitute in the given finding the P inverse, right? Now, P inverse equals to capital P. What is capital P, ma, now? Just tell me capital P equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. It is clear? Whole transpose. This is a P inverse, right? Okay. Now, P inverse equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and 0 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Transpose of the given matrix, we will get this one. Transpose means what? The rows will become into the column. It is clear? So this is a P inverse completed. Then go for the next step 5. What is the step 5 here? Check P inverse AP. Okay, now we need to check the P inverse AP, right? It is clear, ma? Hello?
It is clear now, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Now, P inverse, substitute here P inverse 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Okay, and capital A. Capital A is the symmetric matrix, ma. The given matrix, I'm going to substitute here 1, 0, 0, 0, 3 minus 1, and 0 minus 1, 3. Okay, now into capital P. What is capital P here? I'm going to substitute here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay, now this is LHS. Now we need to find the multiplication of this and the result matrix multiplied with the matrix multiplication. What we get ma here? Diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix? The diagonal matrix which is formed by the eigenvalues. The eigenvalues display in the
Ma'am,
principal
ma'am,
diagonal
P
element.
inverse and P same only, ma'am.
P inverse equals to P transpose ma. నేను ఇక్కడ P inverse find out చేసాను చూడు ఇక్కడ P inverse ఇది transpose of the P inverse P. Transpose of the P is P inverse. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, multiply these three matrices. What we get ma here? Capital D. What is capital D? Diagonal matrix we are getting. Okay. Now, we are going to multiply. The result matrix is a capital D which is formed by the eigenvalues. What are the eigenvalues of the given matrix ma? 1, 2, 4. So we are getting 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 4, which is the capital D. Since which is formed by eigenvalues. Okay. Hence, P inverse AP equals to D using orthogonalization. Completed all of you?
మేడం వన్ టైం ప్రీవియస్ పేజ్ చూపిండి మేడం.
టెల్ మీ.
దీని ముందు పేజ్ ఒకసారి చూపిండి మేడం.
అర్థం కాలేదు నాన్న. పేజ్ చూపించుకుంటున్నావా?
సో ప్రీవియస్ your video was stuck మ్యామ్.
మేడం ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చూపియండి మేడం.
ఫస్ట్ నుంచి నేను చూపిస్తాను, కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేయండి.
వీడియో
ఓకే,
బ్లర్ మేడం. బ్లర్ మేడం ఒకసారి పైకి
ఒక్క నిమిషం,
పెట్టండి కొద్దిగా.
ఒక్క నిమిషం వెయిట్
ఫస్ట్
చేయండి.
పేజ్
నాకు
మ్యామ్,
ఒక్క
ఫస్ట్
నిమిషం.
పేజ్.
చూపిస్తాను, వెయిట్ చేయండి అంటున్నా. ఓకే, క్లియర్?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first page, ma. See, I think it is clear. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
next is the second page. Take a pic.
Clarity మ్యామ్.
Next, third page. This is the third page. Okay, completed.
Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Next page. Okay,
Completed, ma'am.
3 cases completed. Now we are going to the next step 3. So this one, capital P matrix, we need to find, that is a normalized matrix. Okay, completed.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Next, last page. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Completed,
next.
ma'am.
Next problem, write down. Diagonalize the matrix. Capital A equals to 7, 4, 4 and 4 minus 8 minus 1, 4 minus 1,
Ma'am, your video was not able, ma'am.
diagonalize the matrix.
Madam,
A
your
equals to
video was not visible, ma'am.
over 4 minus 3 minus 8 minus 1 and the last row.
Madam, you have not shared the screen, ma'am.
And this is the homework problem by orthogonalization. This is the homework problem. Write down, all of you, please. Diagonalize the matrix capital A equals to 7, 4, minus 4, 4, minus 8, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 8. And now itself only tell me the eigenvalues, all of you, please. All of you clear, ma?
Clear, ma'am.
Tell me the eigenvalues. I'm going to be... Okay, tell me first.